Welcome back to the Malt Miller YouTube channel. In today's video, we are reviewing a product that we've been waiting for an absolute age. It is the Grainfather All Grain Brewing Ingredients Kits. So Martin, Grainfather, known for their really good value, high quality brewing equipment. The one thing that's been missing from their range is the actual ingredients to put in their brewing equipment.
I can't believe they've not done this sooner. It's like they've been making these all-in-one systems for ages.
It was a really big hole in their range, and now they've sorted it with this range of 6 to start off with, all grain brewing kits. You get everything you require for the brew day in the box.
Rob, there's 6 kits. What beer styles are they?
Well, actually, they've covered all of the main bases to start off with. And actually, the really exciting thing is, because we've got a bit of insider knowledge here, we get on really well with the Grainfather, so we know kind of what their plans are. Their plans are to massively extend this range.
Okay.
But they've started where they've got the main bases ticked. So to launch, we've got a pale, a hazy pale, and a stout.
And then I've got a West Coast IPA, a best bitter, and a pilsner.
Nice. So actually, yeah, all the bases covered. Now these kits are for 20 litre batches.
Okay.
Actually, that fits in perfectly with their brewing kit because they've got the G30, which is designed for, say, 20, 23 litre batches. Yep. They've got the G40, which is designed for 40 litre batches, and the G70, which is designed for 60 litre batches. So you can use 1, 2, or 3 of these kits depending on the system that you've got.
Yeah, I mean, so even on a G40, you could brew just one of these.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so even though these are branded Grainfather, you don't need a Grainfather to brew them as well. You could brew them on any system.
Literally, if you've got the equipment to make all grain beer, then you've got the equipment to make these kits.
So brew in a bag, Brewzilla, anything could be used with this.
Absolutely anything. And more or less with any equipment, you can also make use of the Grainfather app. Now, I think that the Grainfather app is so underrated by people that are outside of the Grainfather sphere, because within the Grainfather app, you've got a whole host of calculators, brewing parameters, you can do recipe development. You don't have to have a Grainfather to use all of that, and the app's free.
I'll be honest, even when I do brew in a bag, I still use their software because it's just what I'm used to using.
Yeah, exactly that. So it will tell you exactly how much mash water you need, how much sparge water you need, full gambit for all of the recipes. Not just these, but any other recipe that's within the Grainfather sphere. But we're not talking about that today because we're talking about these specific recipe kits. In regard to these recipe kits and the Grainfather app, these are already installed in there.
Oh, wow. So how do you get the recipe on your equipment if you're using a Grainfather or any other?
Well, it's dead easy. You've just got the app on your phone. You can search up the specific recipe, or actually we'll show you in a little while. Inside this box, little QR code, just hit the QR code, bosh, comes up on your phone. Let's get a box open and we'll show you exactly what's inside.
Right, so we've got one kit here. You've got rid of the others. What a nice box.
Mate, before we actually open this up, you can see how much time, effort and work has gone into the design of the box. Not only does it look pretty, which it does, stunning box, but we've also got QR codes on here as well. So if you've not already got the Grainfather app, you can just hit the QR code, download the Grainfather app straight away. Obviously, we've got full information about what's inside the box, and we're ready to get it open.
Go on then. Get your knife out.
Well, actually, I've got a brand new knife here that was given to me by one of our warehouse staff, which is...
He ain't getting that back, is he?
No, he's not getting that back, no. Right, so open the kit up. Actually, you can see just how secure this box is and robust it is, because I'm thinking, actually, that we're going to be able to send these straight in the box as it is. If someone orders just a single one,
so courier label, whack on the lid
on there, and
nice.
Because actually the amount of protection the box is given is actually very, very good. So we've got a whole range of...
What's going on there?
Yeah, I know, it's really nice. Load of instructions, step by step. I'm delighted to be able to sell a product like that.
Quality.
That's a really, really cool. It's a step up. Actually, it's what you'd expect from Grainfather. It is a step up from what's already available out there in the market. Really impressive. So we've got the full written instructions here, but we've also got all of the QR codes for downloading this actual recipe within the Grainfather software.
Okay.
All right. I personally would also use this for jotting down a few notes on as well, because then I can keep that.
Yep, so it's giving us what our starting gravities, end gravities, everything on there.
All parameters are all given on here. So we've got we can have a written version of it and also a version of it in the app as well. It's really nice.
Quality as well.
It is quality, nice thick paper, really impressed. Next, we have all of the hops. So hops in separate bags. Now, interestingly, they have put packaged hops by variety.
Okay.
So if the hops are needed in 2 stages during the brewing process, you have to weigh those hops out. I think that's actually quite easy for the brewer to do. It also saves a bit on packaging, so you've not got a load of different hop packages.
It's similar to our recipes. It's like it makes you more involved, but it also makes you totally aware of what's in the bag.
Wow,
it's not just a random hop.
That's what I really like about it, because they're actually telling you what the recipe is. I really like that. They're not hiding behind anything. We actually know what the recipe is. In this case, in this one, this is the Evergreen Pale, so we've got 10 grams of Magnum and 120 grams of Cascade. In resealable hop packaging, so it's got the zip tie on it.
Yeah.
Nice pillow pack product. Really, really, really nice. Nicely packed. We've got specific ale yeast for this recipe. Now, all of the recipes come with a specific yeast for that recipe. We've also got some finings here. Now, they describe it as finings, but actually, if you look on the back, it's actually kettle finings and yeast nutrient.
Okay, cool.
Massive advocates for that. We know how important it is to add the yeast nutrient to give us the best chance of a really active, fast, good fermentation to make the best final product. Then we've got the bag of actual grain crushed. We've got just short of 5 kilos of grain in this particular bag, so it all goes in one bag. That's it.
I think it's really interesting that Grainfather have finally entered this market of selling ingredients.
Do you know what? It's taken them a good while, hasn't it? But now that they've done it, I'm doing it in this specific way with recipe kits specifically within a box, everything that you need to brew. You can buy 1, 2 or 3 of these in a go, and you've got a brewing schedule then. I actually really like the way that they've done it. Also, the way that they've done it with this sort of style, Grainfather style, I actually really like.
I bet they've taken some of the knowledge from their app of what people like to brew to develop the perfect recipe.
Well, you know, they'd be crazy if they didn't. They've got a wealth of information right at their hands. They know what styles are popular, they know what hops are popular, and actually, with that in mind, before you even buy this kit, they are being as upfront as they possibly can be. The complete recipe for all of these kits is already in the app. So you can have a look at exactly what you're buying before you actually purchase it and actually see what the brewing profiles is, look at the mash time and what timings the hop goes in. You can get yourself fully arranged before you actually even order the kit.
What's the kind of price we're looking at on these?
Right, that's a really interesting one, because as we said, there are other kits available within the market, and actually the price point of these I think is absolutely fantastic. So because they're different styles, there's a range of pricing. They're basically available from £30 to £40 for the styles that they've got at the moment. I should imagine there might be, if there was a double hazy IPA, then I can imagine the price point will be stretched. I can also imagine the price point for some of them being slightly lower if you wanted a really super simple style, but for what they've got, a price point between £30 and £40 I think is absolutely excellent value.
For quality product, which this is, and the packaging and the care that's taken over these, yeah, I think that's bang on.
So next, obviously we're going to be brewing a couple of these.
Well, I'm Bagsy in this one.
Yeah, well, you can take that one. And actually, really interestingly, we watched the video with Mark and Penny, the Oyster Boys. They've already brewed the stout and the pilsner. So I'm probably going to go with the best bitter, I think.
Ah, that's a good shout.
Yeah, good shout.
Two beers that will complement each other really nicely.
I know, exactly, that's what we were thinking. So, in the next video in the Grainfather Brewing Kit series, you can watch us brew the beer and probably have a sample of the final result.
And you'll probably get wet feet like normal.
Yeah, that's standard for me brewing. We can't wait to see how our beers turn out using these kits, but also how you get on brewing them yourselves. Now, if you've enjoyed the video, please, as always, subscribe to the channel. And obviously you can follow us on all of our socials. Have a great brew. Cheers.
See ya, I'm taking this.